Hello friends. I hope you are well. Welcome to the fourth session of photo manipulation. We had 3 Chelsea before we were able to turn this photo into this photo. If you have not seen the previous sessions, be sure to look at the previous sessions first and then watch the next videos. In this session, we are going to finish this photo and get to this photo. This is just an idea and you can take 1,000 more photos with the same photo. If you like this photo, don't forget to like the video. This session is a lot of work and we go to Photoshop without wasting time. To use glowing light, cut the sword and open a new layer and add white color to it. Then add a little Gaussian blur to it so that it is not sharp. Then open Layer Style and select Outer Glow. With blue or green, you can give a beautiful light to the photo. I cannot tell you any number of properties because each image must have its own value. Play with the numbers as much as you can to get the best result. Do not be afraid of spoiling your photo. You should be able to gain experience and learn more professionally. Open a new layer with liner dodge mode and give more light to the space around the sword with the same light blue color. Now by clicking on the layer of this dragon and selecting the same layer of liner dodge, you can reflect the light on these birds to have a more natural light. This light of the sword must also be on the subject's clothing. To do this, open a solid color with light blue color and set the mode to vivid color. Give it a black mask and paint it where you want it to be colored with a white brush. Now, in order to have a natural color on the stone, open a solid color with blue color and set the mode to soft light. Give it a black mask again and paint it very lightly with a white brush. I wanted to give a fiery light to the girl too, but I did not like it and decided that this color should be on the dragon. To do this, I opened a new layer and put the mode on the screen. I took a few clicks with the orange brush to create a fiery light. I moved this slightly to the right of the style to have less effect on the black colors. Now we put it on the dragon. Now I open a new layer with black color and I erase it with an eraser so that my photo period creates a black state. There are many ways to do this, but I like it more. Our photo is being prepared. Then, by hitting the Ctrl, Shift, and Alt keys, a new image of all layers will appear. Then we go to Camera Raw. In order for our photo to be seen better and to be more visible to you, we make our photo period darker again. Then we open the highlights and shadows a little to make our photo brighter and brighter. Now we make the white of the photo less and the black of the photo lighter. Now we increase the clarity and days of the photo to make our photo sharper. I also play with colors a bit, because I do not want too much green to be seen in my photo. In color grading, I lighten the midtone part a little and apply the Helrero highlight very little on the orange color. I do not think that this samurai will have any injuries in the scene we made. Add a stitch photo to our photo and place it on the samurai arm. I set the layer mode to multiply and manipulate its color with adjustment levels. I remove the extra places with the eraser. I also make a small scratch on my face. I copy a part of the layer and put it on my face. I open the layer mode on multiply. Our photo is ready. If you like, tell me in the comments so that I can make these videos for you again. If you have completed the photo manipulation training course and its sessions, now you can make any photo manipulation. Wait, not finished yet. I have a surprise for you. We could have better imagination with this photo and we could make another photo. Do you want to make this photo too? So join us in the next tutorial.